All right, let's show them what you got. What you got from Amazon? Okay.
Yay! Boom, boom, boom.
Oh.
Yay, yay. Boom, boom, boom. Yay, yay.
All right, Papa, look. So we're going to show them your box. And y'all
Yeah.
cannot believe how much this costs on Amazon. I had to buy it because baby girl has one already. Obviously, she's bigger. She's in school. But he'll start taking his lunches next year. Excuse me. And I wanted to go ahead and get him started. Yo, this was $8. Go get you on Amazon, okay? And it comes in different colors. Stop it. You got to tell them to go buy it, Papa.
Okay. Go buy it, okay?
All
and
right.
pay for some money, please.
Yo, give me some.
Give my money.
Yeah. Okay, look at y'all. Oh, this is actually bigger than I actually anticipated.
I don't know.
Okay, this is thick.
They have food in it.
Look at that. And it's microwavable, okay? It's got a cup for condiments. Stop playing. It's got your fork, your knife, and your little spoon. That's a big spoon. I like the shape of that. It's like squarish. All right. I like this. This is so dope. For $8, you can't beat this. Okay? You got your little condiment. Put it back in here. Open for your fork. This is so cute.
Yeah.
Look, and it clips right back into place. Oh, I like this. On the sides. Then you open. Boom.
Boom.
I like this. Look,
Mommy,
it's
I
got
don't-
like a cover.
Yeah, Mommy, I don't know what's food in it.
This is so dope. I like this. So when you microwave it, you can cover your stuff. Oh, look at it. I didn't know it came with that. Oh my gosh, this is so cute.
Hey, look at toys.
I have no idea what this is, but first thing that I assumed was little cupcake toppers because, yeah. Look at it. This is so freaking cute. I love this.
Oh my God.
And these are rubber ones, so they're kind of like reusable.
Yeah, look at
I
muffins.
love, look at how deep. This is really deep. I like these. This is perfect. Genius. So go get you one on Amazon. $7.99. Different colors, okay? It's got a lid. It's got cupcake holders.
Yay!
Yeah, you excited?
Yeah, I can't wait to put food in it.
You a big boy food.
Yeah. Wow. Little man.
Yeah. Amazon $7.99. Go run and get you one.
No, drive. Not one.
Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye, everyone.